Hello everyone, I hope you are all well. Welcome to the new video. Today we are going to learn about inserting columns and rows. I'm going to start this video. Let's talk about some datas. We have to insert some datas. This video is going to be interesting for football fans. Let's talk about La Liga. Suppose there are 10 teams. So insert some team names. We all now know about Real Madrid, Barcelona, Real Sociedad, Osasuna. Then Atletico fans, please do not get mad at me. Here we go. There are so many teams, right? We can take some teams from Division 2. Then you can say Valencia, Celta Vigo, another one, Villarreal. Okay, you can add serial number here. You should not type 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. You can just use this way to fill. There are so many ways. I'm going to show you day by day. Okay, then you can add some columns like match plates, match on, lost, and points. Every team already played 8 games. Suppose Real Madrid won 5 out of 8 games and lost 1. Barca had won 6 and lost 1. See, Real Sociedad, the name is too big and we cannot see the full name here. You just double click here. Now the column is adjusted and you can see the full name now, right? This is a simple thing. Okay, let's complete our table. I'm going to fill it randomly, okay? See, there is one column is missing, and that is the draw number. I'm going to see how can we insert this column between match won and match lost columns. Modify some things, like we can bold these words, add some borders, and we can change the formats. This one looks better, I think. We want to insert column in between on and lost. So click here, click right button, and just use this option. Just add the draw matches column. Okay, if anyone want to insert 2 or more columns, let's see how can he or she can add. Such as I want to add 5 columns here. I just selected 5 columns. Just click the right button and insert. And these 5 columns are here, 5 new columns. If I don't want these columns, just hide it. That's it. You can unhide it again if you want. It's a simple thing. Okay. Now, I'm going to show a formula. It's a simple thing, and we can use it here. Like, we want to find the points. How can we calculate it? Let's see. And for draw matches, we know this is for 1 point. This is 17. For 5 matches, Real Madrid will get 5 into 3. That means 15 points. And for 2 draw matches, Real Madrid will get 2 points. That means Real Madrid will get 17 points from 8 matches. Okay. If we copy this formula for other 9 teams, we can just use Ctrl+C and we can paste it here. You can see the formula here. D5 into 3, like this cell. This cell is multiplied by 3 plus this cell is multiplied by 1. You can double click here and you can see the formula. We can paste here with Ctrl V. Now we completed the point table. This is very simple. From this table, now we can determine which team is the number 1. According to this table, Racing got 21 points. Racing is the first team of this table. Okay. If you want to color these cells, just use colors from here. I showed it in my previous video. Okay. The main thing I wanted to show here is inserting columns, which is very important in some cases. Let's recap this video. If you want to insert a column in the middle of other columns, you can just insert. If you want to add 2 or more columns, just select the columns, right click and insert. Here we can see 3 new columns are added here. So this is it for today. You can comment in my video. If you want to know more about inserting columns or rows, you can ask questions in the comment section. I will pick your questions and I will try to answer it in my next video. Please like, comment and share, and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Have a good day.